Hi, this is Adriana, and this is another video for SalesVision, and I'll continue with earthing. And this is the physics of earthing simplified by Dr. Gaetan Chevalier, PhD from University of California at Irvine. So he says that what is largely missing is a fundamental understanding of the bioelectrical nature of our physiology. The body is a highly intelligent electrobiochemical system that is strongly influenced by its internal electrical environment. Countless electrical charges within the system regulate countless biochemical reactions, including enzymatic transformations, protein formation, and pH, the acid-alkaline balance. In this complex arrangement, the Earth's surface electrical potential serves as the body's stabilizing reference point or ground. As he has learned through his research and that of his colleagues, contact with the surface of the Earth maintains the body's electrical stability and the normal functioning of its self-regulating and self-healing mechanisms. The ground thus acts as the very same stabilizing resource for both the body and electrical systems throughout the world. The research led them to conclude that a lack of grounding leads to internal electrical instability that in turn results in physiological dysfunction. Think of multiple domino effects happening simultaneously. They led to precursors of or aggravating factors for numerous disorders. In previous times, before our modern lifestyle separated us from the Earth's ground reference, the body typically had its natural hookup to electrical stability in one way or another, such as by being barefoot or using animal hides for bedding and footwear that permitted conductivity. Humans had ordinary and routine conductive contact with the Earth. So I'll be sharing a little more in the upcoming videos. This video for SalesVision Challenge, it's to let people know about our digital marketing software for people that are selling products that need to generate customers or need to generate leads online for their network marketing business. You will find a link in the description below that will take you to the page that will explain everything. If you need to generate leads, you don't need to bother friends and family, just access the digital marketing software. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.